Humanix AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently. And in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it before diving in. If you're curious about how Humanix AI can impact your work or business, keep watching because by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this software is a good fit for you. And yes, you can try it for completely free. Just check the first link in the description below. Let's start with what makes Humanix AI different. Unlike other AI tools out there, it's built specifically with ease of use in mind, targeting professionals who need a powerful AI without the steep learning curve. It automates various tasks like content creation, customer support, and even data analysis in ways that simplify daily operations. And if you're worried about the complexity of integrating it into your existing systems, don't be. Humanix AI has an intuitive interface that connects seamlessly with most platforms you already use. One of the things that sets Humanix AI apart is its impressive ability to generate high-quality, personalized content. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or email copy, this software delivers in a fraction of the time it would normally take to craft these yourself. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to understand your preferences and brand voice, making sure the content matches your style while saving you hours of manual work. Speaking of time, if you're in marketing or any other time-sensitive field, you'll appreciate Humanix AI's ability to streamline workflows. It can analyze huge sets of data in seconds and generate actionable insights that typically would take hours of human labor. This level of automation gives you the chance to focus on strategic decisions rather than getting bogged down with routine tasks. Plus, it can integrate with your existing CRM tools, making the transition super smooth. Another critical feature is its real-time reporting capabilities. Humanix AI provides instant feedback on content performance, customer interactions, and more. This means you're never in the dark about how your content is performing or what your next move should be. Whether you're looking to boost engagement on social media or improve your email open rates, you'll get the insights you need instantly. Now, what about customization? Humanix AI offers a wide range of customization options. You're not stuck with one-size-fits-all outputs. Whether you want the tone to be professional, casual, or somewhere in between, it adapts to your needs. It even allows you to adjust the length and style of the content it generates, ensuring you're in complete control of the final product. Humanix AI also boasts top-tier customer support. When you're dealing with any new software, especially AI, it's always reassuring to know you can get help whenever you need it. The support team is responsive and available via live chat, email, and even phone. And for those of you who prefer a bit of self-learning, there's an extensive knowledge base filled with tutorials and tips on getting the most out of the platform. Before we wrap up, one more thing to note is the price. While many AI tools come with hefty subscription fees, Humanix AI offers a range of flexible pricing options, including a completely free trial so you can test it out for yourself. This makes it a risk-free investment to see if it truly meets your needs. So to recap, Humanix AI is an intuitive, customizable, and powerful tool that can save you time, automate tasks, and help you make better decisions with real-time insights. Whether you're in content creation, marketing, or data analysis, this software could be the game changer you're looking for. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Humanix AI stands out. If you're ready to dive in, check out the free trial with the first link in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out the other recommended AI software in the description that I personally recommend after testing so many. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.